noise and a sound effect.
Most people tend to classify both of them together, but a noise is different in that it's nondescript. You can't identify it. That's a noise. A sound effect is describable. You know what those are. You can identify them.
Stan's diligently trained his voice since he was 6 years old. Now he can imitate just about anything and anyone.
You can be a siren.
Yes, I'm the loudest man in the world to be in the Guinness Book of Records. I do 125 dB with this voice alone. But I can't do it inside a building. I have to do it outside.